Hello, welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about Vlookup in Excel. What does this mean? Well, if you have one table in Excel and another table, so you have two tables, and you want to add one value from table B, you want to add that value to table A, then you do that using Vlookup. You look up, for example, what you are doing is looking up a value in one table and then say, put it in the other table. Well, here we have two tables. The first one is the DSA list, that is the distress list of the IMF. We use that in other examples as well. For example, to crack a PDF, because IMF makes this list in PDF format. Here it is completely clean now, and you see in column A the countries and in column B the distress level. Here we have another spreadsheet, which is the ratings, the sovereign ratings, so as they are published by Trading Economics, and you see again country, and here you have the ratings, Standard & Poor's, Moody's, etc. Okay, what we want now is adding the rating, for example, Moody's, to the ratings of Moody's to these countries here in the distress list, or adding the TE value in to this DSA list. Well, that's not so difficult. There's a function in Excel. I'm going to show that. But there are two conditions. First condition is that the name of the countries must be the same in both Excel sheets, because the country list, that is column A, is the key value, meaning if you want to look for a value in another spreadsheet, you need to have a column or a value, or values in a column that are exactly the same. So if you look, for example, for Cape Verde, you should use in both spreadsheets the name Cape Verde and not Cabo Verde in one and Cape Verde in the other. Also, use of capitals, hyphens, etc. must be the same in both. Otherwise, it will fail. Secondly, the list in A, in column A, must be in both sheets in alphabetic order. Now, we're going to do it. Here we go. And this is, let's say, we do this here, Moody's. Sorry. Yes, we do. What is it? Moody's. Moody's, okay. So we have a formula. Formula is Vlookup. Okay. Now, the lookup value, that is the values we are going to look up. That is in this column, Afghanistan, the name of the countries. Okay. Now the table array, meaning in what table I'm going to look. Well, this table, of course. So what I'm going to do is select the whole table. I select the whole table like this. Okay. Next, where are the values? The values are in 1, 2, 3 in the third column, because that's where Moody's is. 2 is Standard & Poor's, 3 is Moody's. Then here we have a logical value. We have to say true or false if you want to have an exact match, otherwise no match. Then you do false. We want to have an exact match, and we type false in capitals, of course, or you do 0, that's the same. Now you can do OK, and here you got it. So we do another one. Well, you can check it, Bangladesh, BA3, let's have a look. Or Zambia, look at Zambia, or Zambia here. Zambia, CA, see, and Uzbekistan, I think. No, it's Uganda. Uganda here, it's B2. What is this? Tanzania, yes, Tanzania B2. Well, here it goes. Next, we do TE like this. Again, equal sign, formula, Vlookup, okay, choose the value in the key value. Okay, again. Next, in which table I'm going to look? Well, in this one, I go up again and select the whole spreadsheet, like this. Okay, fine. Index column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's number 6. Okay, so we type 6, and we want to have an exact match, so we do 0. Fine, okay, and we got it, and here you got the numbers. Well, you see that a lot are not available. A lot of these countries are not even rated. So rating agencies like Standard & Poor's, they don't give a rating for these countries. So let's skip them. So we can filter. So we go up like this. So we go up. Put the cursor in the first cell. Make this a little bit bigger. And I'm going to say filter. Put the filter on. And now I say, I only want to have countries that have a real rating. So I go here and I untag NA not available. And here we go. Now we got all the ratings that are available.